Expanding brackets summary. Summarizing everything discussed so far. Now, it is the time to solve a long exercise that summarizes everything discussed so far in this tutorial. Example. Expand and simplify the following algebraic expression. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. Using the properties of expanding brackets, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.2.6, and the end of tutorial 6.2. To continue this chapter, please watch 6.3, Introduction to Special Algebraic Identities Obtained Through Expanding. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.